The Turing Shield network solution is a body temperature thermal scanner powered by artificial intelligence, a perfect solution to help organizations reopen with confidence and peace of mind. The network solution includes a thermal AI box, in addition to the thermal scanner. With this combination, you get access to a highly secure cloud-based data access management platform, which helps you centrally manage and monitor data collected from all the network scanners in your location. These scanners can be located in one facility or multiple facilities at different geographic locations. Further, if a badge printer and an HID card reader are enabled as a part of your Turing Shield solution, you can enable additional Turing Shield features such as health screening questionnaire, door access, pass or fail badge printing, contact tracing, and much more. This video provides the detailed steps on how to set up your device as a network solution. From hardware connections to software settings, you will have a detailed tour of this process. There are 3 steps to set up your network device. The first step is to assemble the device. Before we talk about how to assemble the device, let's look at the components of your network solution package. A standard network solution shipment comes with a thermal scanner, a mounting stand, and an AI box. In this video, we will talk about the network solution package, where the scanner comes with a pre-installed stand. The Turing Shield package will generally arrive in 1 or more boxes. The package will consist of the thermal scanner with the integrated stand, a base for the stand, the front-bottom cover, based on the type of stand chosen, assembly materials, and the device operating manual. Customers with advanced setups, as you see in this picture, can expect a barcode scanner, hand sanitizer holder, and a badge printer, among other parts. Now that you know your package components, let's see how to assemble the device. If your scanner was not pre-installed with a stand, simply follow the steps in the device operating manual. If the scanner has an integrated stand, as shown here, place the stand on the base plate, ensuring that it sits well on the 7 screws of the base plate. Tighten the 7 silver nuts that came with the package using the wrench that came with the package, and then fix the bottom inside of the stand to the base. Next, remove the front top cover of the stand by unscrewing the 2 knobs on both sides of the front cover and lifting up the front cover. If your organization is looking to set up badge printing, know that Turing Shield works best with citizen printers. Let's take a quick look at how to set up a badge printer. Connect the 2 green cables from the stand to the back of the printer. Turn it on and insert it into the printer slot. Remember to power the printer on. Remove the protective foam from the scanner. You can now connect the barcode scanner. For integrated stands, you will attach the barcode scanner to the right side of the stand using screw knobs. Note that the installation will differ if you purchased a different stand. Attach the hand sanitizer holder to the left side of the stand using screw knobs. Make sure that all the plugs are plugged into the power strip inside the stand and then turn the red switch on. You can now remove the protective screen from the scanner. Place the front cover back on the stand and attach it using the screw knobs. Place the front top cover back on the stand and attach it using the screw knobs. Turing Shield is now assembled with the integrated stand and AI box. Remember, once you plug in the power plug, wait for the system to boot up. It will take about 5 to 15 minutes for the scanner to be prepared for the initial installation, depending on the solution purchased. After the device is assembled, the next step is to connect the device to the AI box and set it up as a networked solution. The Turing Thermal AI box allows Turing Shield data to be ported to Amazon Web Services or AWS Cloud. Data can be transferred in two ways, by using a Wi-Fi-enabled AI box or a 4G LTE-enabled AI box. The steps to connect your device to the AI box will vary based on the type of AI box you received with the package. Let us see how to set up your device for data access using a Wi-Fi-enabled AI box. For this, we will first connect the device to the Wi-Fi-enabled AI box. Note, before you connect the device, ensure the AI box and the Turing Shield device are unplugged from the power supply. To connect the device, locate the Ethernet port of the scanner. Locate the USB to Ethernet adapter that is attached to the AI box. It is important to note that the Wi-Fi-enabled AI box has two USB attachments pre-connected to the front panel of the AI box. These USB attachments are paired with the connected AI box and must not be disconnected or used with any other device. Disconnecting them will cause setup failure. Connect them with the provided Ethernet cable. Now plug in both power plugs and switch on the power supply. Ensure the AI box is running by verifying the blue power light is on. The system may take up to 3 minutes to boot. Now that the hardware is connected, let's look at the software settings required to connect the device to the internet using a Wi-Fi-enabled AI box. After the connection is established, we will need to set up a Wi-Fi connection for this device. For this, identify a device that has wireless connection capabilities. This can be a cell phone, tablet, or laptop. In this case, we have chosen a laptop. Locate the hotspot network being emitted from the AI box. Typically, it will be named TM, followed by 5 digits and -AP. The default hotspot password will be "Change Me." Enter the password or network security key when prompted. After you are connected to the hotspot of the AI box, open a web browser, such as Chrome or Firefox. In the address search field, type 10.42.0.1:9001. The Modem UI page will open. A Wi-Fi networks list will appear on this page, displaying all the networks in your PC available for connection. To locate your organization's Wi-Fi network in the Wi-Fi name field, enter the Wi-Fi name based on the Wi-Fi list. In the Wi-Fi password field, enter the password and then click the Join button. On successfully establishing the connection, the message "Setup Success, please reboot your system" is displayed. For this, you will need to unplug both the AI box and the thermal scanner and reboot them. We saw how to set up the device using a Wi-Fi-enabled AI box. Next, let's see the steps to set up the device using a 4G LTE-enabled AI box. To transfer data using 4G LTE-enabled AI box, All you have to do is to connect the device to 4G LTE-enabled AI box. Just like when connecting to a Wi-Fi network, before connecting both devices, ensure they are unplugged from the power supply. Let's begin with the steps to connect the device with a 4G LTE-enabled AI box. Locate the Ethernet port of the scanner. Locate the USB to Ethernet adapter that comes attached to the AI box. This USB attachment is paired with the connected AI box and must not be disconnected or used with any other device. Disconnecting it will cause setup failure. Connect them using the provided internet cable. An additional step in this scenario is to connect the AI box with an LTE-capable device. Connect the LAN 1 port at the back of the LTE device to the back of the AI box using the 1-foot internet connection cable, which came along the package. Plug in both the power plugs and switch on the power supply. Ensure the AI box is running by verifying the blue power light is on. The system may take up to 3 minutes to boot. Your device is now ready to transfer data to AWS Cloud using the 4G LTE AI box. With this, you have learned how to connect the device to the Wi-Fi and 4G LTE-enabled AI box. Remember that you can either set up your device to transfer data using Wi-Fi or LTE. You can never use both at the same time. Now, let us access the Data Access Management Platform. When your device is successfully set up as an administrator, you will receive a confirmation email from the Turing AI Box team notifying that the AI box is ready. Let's take a look at the email. The email you receive will have a URL link to the thermal dashboard or the Data Access Management Platform, the username and password for Data Access Management Platform, and links to other user resources and online manuals. Using the information received in the confirmation email, you can access the Data Access Management Platform. Let's see how. To access the Data Access Management Platform, click the Thermal Dashboard link given in the email. The Data Access Management Platform opens. Enter the username and password as received in the email. The dashboard page of the Data Access Management Platform opens. Data Access Management Platform allows administrators to manage and monitor thermal, employee, health questionnaire, and other data captured using Turing Shield. Your Turing Shield is now networked. All data captured on the scanner is now getting pushed onto the cloud and into the Data Access Management Platform. The platform provides you with all the tools and reporting you need to monitor data and real-time alerts to keep your employees and visitors safe. You have reached the end of this video. Let us go over some key points. A network solution comes with an AI box. Based on how you plan to connect the device to the internet, the AI box could be a Wi-Fi or 4G LTE-enabled AI box. To set up a device as a network solution, it must be connected to the AI box. A network solution allows you to access a highly secure cloud-based data access management platform, allowing you to centrally manage data from the network scanners in one or different locations. Thank you for watching.